Hello, my friends! Welcome back to DailyLingo. I'm really glad you're here with me today. This podcast is made for listening, only listening. You can listen while walking, while cleaning, while resting, or before you sleep. There is nothing to watch, nothing to rush. Just listen. And repeat if you can. If you can't repeat right now, that's perfectly fine. Listening alone is powerful. Take a slow breath and let's begin. Part 1, Settling in. Let your body relax. Let your face soften. There is no test. There is no pressure. This time is for you. I will speak slowly. You can follow my voice. Let's start gently. Part 2, talking about today. Today feels calm. Today feels calm. I am present in this moment. I am present in this moment. I am listening to English. I am listening to English. I am giving myself time to learn. I am giving myself time to learn. I don't need to hurry. I don't need to hurry. Part 3, Simple Daily Actions. I am making a drink. I am making a drink. I enjoy this small moment. I enjoy this small moment. I like quiet mornings. I like quiet mornings. I start my day slowly. I start my day slowly. I feel comfortable and relaxed. I feel comfortable and relaxed. Part 4, Learning English Gently. I am learning English naturally. I am learning English naturally. I learn by listening. I learn by listening. I learn by repeating. I learn by repeating. I don't need to understand every word. I don't need to understand every word. Understanding comes with time. Understanding comes with time. Part 5, Speaking without fear. I am not afraid to speak. I am not afraid to speak. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. My accent is okay. My accent is okay. My voice is enough. My voice is enough. People can understand me. People can understand me. Part 6, English in Real Life. I use English in daily life. I use English in daily life. I listen while walking. I listen while walking. I listen while cleaning. I listen while cleaning. I listen while resting. I listen while resting. English is part of my day. English is part of my day. Part 7, Talking about feelings. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel calm. Sometimes I feel calm. All feelings are normal. All feelings are normal. I accept how I feel. I accept how I feel. I breathe slowly and relax. I breathe slowly and relax. Part 8. Simple Polite English. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? Can you speak slowly, please? Can you speak slowly, please? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time. I enjoy kind conversations. I enjoy kind conversations. Part 9. Confidence and Growth. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. Small steps are powerful. Small steps are powerful. I trust the process. I trust the process. I don't compare myself to others. I don't compare myself to others. My journey is my own. My journey is my own. Part 10. Preparing to rest. My body feels calm. My body feels calm. My mind feels lighter. My mind feels lighter. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I showed up today. I showed up today. That is enough. That is enough. Thank you for practicing with me today. This was Daily Lingo. Come back tomorrow and listen again. Even a few minutes a day can change everything. Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and be kind to yourself.